Remove saved password from Google. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google services, any application over here. I'm going for Google Play Store, and then simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, simply select on Manage your Google account, and as you tap on Manage your Google account, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Google password and saved passwords over here. So what you can simply do is you can just refresh it and then tap on the option of security and sign in. Now what you can simply do is you can just scroll down and tap on the option of password manager. Select on the password manager option. Now you can select any of the profile or app that you'd want to remove the saved password from. So if I am gonna tap on the option of Roblox over here for now, you can simply first of all confirm it. And then you can simply select on any of these options, and if you want to delete it, you can simply tap on the delete option. Now tap on delete and you'll be able to remove the saved password from Google for the Roblox application. You can do the same process for other application as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.